Hello everybody, you are welcome in this analog electronics lab. Today our experiment is to study the characteristics of Zener diode and its application as voltage regulator. So this is circuit diagram. This is the DC power supply. Its range is 0 to 30 volt. This is the main circuit. In this circuit, a resistance R1 is connected. The purpose of connecting R1 is to limit the current in the circuit. Then a Zener diode is connected in reverse bias. A ammeter is also connected in this circuit to measure the current through the Zener diode. Moreover, a resistance R2 is connected in parallel to the Zener diode as well as ammeter. It will act like a load resistance. A voltmeter is also connected in parallel to this load resistance as well as Zener and ammeter. This voltmeter will read the value of Vz. So Vz is the voltage across the Zener diode. Now the current through the Zener diode will be read by this ammeter, that is Iz. The ranges of different voltmeter as well ammeter are mentioned on the circuit diagram. Let's see the observation table. This is the observation table. So what is the value of R1 and R2? R2 is the load resistance. These are mentioned here, R1 and R2. Next observation table. So this is the applied voltage. So for each applied voltage, we had to note the corresponding value of Vz as well as Iz. This is the expected graph. In this graph, we are applying reverse voltage across the Zener diode. So up to this point, this is called the breakdown voltage of the Zener diode. In this case, the Zener diode breakdown voltage of Zener diode is 9 volt. So this up to this VR point or up to 9 volt, the current is almost 0. But as the voltage increases above VR, the current will increase. But the voltage across it will remain fixed to 9 volt. That is the breakdown voltage of the Zener diode. Now let's see the apparatus. This is the power supply. Now I am increasing the voltage. Now this is applied voltage. Now the voltage across Zener diode is this 2.433 volts. So the difference of applied voltage and Zener diode will appear across this resistance R1. Now we keep on increasing this voltage. So up to 9 volt, that is Vz equal to 9 volt, the current will be 0. It means the diode is not conducting in the reverse direction. But as we are increasing the voltage, there is no current in the ammeter, that is Iz is 0. Now I am increasing the Zener voltage. So just see here, now 8.64 volts, current is 0. As the current exceeds 9 volt, current through the Zener diode has start increasing. Now it is 0.42 milliamperes. Now at this moment, the applied voltage is 15.5 volts. And now I am increasing this volt up to 30 volts. So in this case, you just see I am increasing the applied voltage, only the current is increasing. The voltage is fixed to that value of 9 volt. So the current is increasing as I am increasing the applied voltage. Now the applied voltage approximately 30 volts. The current through the Zener diode Iz is 14.42 milliamperes and the voltage across the Zener diode is approximately 9 volts. So just see the graph here. The graph, this is the voltage, but the current is increasing, but the voltage is not increasing above 9 volts. So its application as a voltage regulator indicates here that as we increase the voltage from 9 volt to 10 volt to up to 30 volts, the voltage across this Zener diode is fixed, that is approximately 9 volt. So if R2 is our load, then the voltage across this load is regulated as we are increasing the voltage from up to 30 volts, but the voltage across the load resistance is fixed to approximately 9 volt. So this is the application of voltage regulator by using Zener diode in any given application. Okay, thank you.